Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to backup or change PC using your Minecraft world, alright? So if you want to change on your desktop, you want to change devices, you want to change your computer, where you use your Minecraft world, this is going to be your solution. So you gotta have to backup your files. First thing, you need to look at your files. In here, click on this option. So that would be run, that would be Windows key plus R. App data, click OK. Now look for the one that says Minecraft, that one right there. As you can see, I have Minecraft. I need to copy this one. Now where should I paste it? I can paste it anywhere. I can go to for desktop, an external hard drive. I can paste it on Google Drive or Cloud Sync as well. For this video, I'm gonna go for desktop. Click on new. I'm gonna name this one Minecraft Backup, like so. Paste it right here. As you can see right here, there, it's currently pasting. Now, what can I do with this one? So just paste it right here. And whenever I change my PC, I can just get this one and then reverse the process. Once I have my new PC, let's just say this is going to be a new computer. Open the app data one more time. Look for Minecraft and paste the one we have backup. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.